Welcome to a short presentation on COVID management preparation by railways authorities at Nandurbar. This is going to be the entry area from where the COVID patients will be taken here. This will be the RPF control center where round the clock RPF staff will be available for liaising with the state authorities for any kind of complaints. Here all communication facilities like auto telephone, PNT telephone, CUG railway telephone, hotline will be provided for proper liaising with the state authorities. This is the entry area from where the COVID patients will be taken to the railway racks provided at platform number 3. This is a control center provided to the state authorities from where the registration of COVID patients will be taken place, and here the PA announcement system will be provided so that any kind of announcement or message can be sent from here. This is the PPE kit changing room provided for the doctors. This is the PPE kit changing room for ladies doctors and the paramedical staff. And this is the racks provided for the care of COVID patients. Here the proper cooling arrangements has been made on these racks. Proper cooling arrangements have been made at the top of these coaches. Also the water coolers have been provided on each coach for the proper care of the COVID patients. Proper barricades have been provided between the platform number 2 and 3 so that any passenger from the platform number 2 will not enter on the platform number 3. Proper marking has been done at the COVID restricted area on the platform and number 3 entry. Watering and lighting arrangements have been made by the respective C&W, train lighting and engineering department. This is the inside view of COVID isolation coaches. This is an AC coach provided for the rest of for doctors and paramedical staff, and if it will be required, Wi-Fi and communication facilities will be provided to the state authorities. Thank you.